is the first day of Canton Fair. If you want to know something about wine cooler, built-in refrigerator, outdoor appliance, this place you must go for a check. Here is Candor's exhibition area.
Candor is 20 years old now and has been the champion of wine cooler export in China for 8 consecutive years.
This year, Candor launched the industry-leading wine cooler with noise level only 36 dB and the energy efficiency class B.
Candor has a full range of wine cabinets, which can cover almost all kinds of demands for high-end market. That's what makes Candor the champion.
Which product is so attractive?
This is Candor's high-end built-in refrigerator. It also brings us pleasant surprise. The built-in refrigerators are without steam, surrounding air cooling, 100% frost-free, carbon filter, large capacity. These features make the refrigerators exquisite and practical. Outdoor appliances are one of Candor's 3 major refrigeration categories, and several new products have been introduced this year. The outdoor beer dispenser deserves your attention. Air cooling system, large capacity refrigerator. Everywhere reflects Candor's design wisdom.
There are also mysterious new products waiting for you. Want to know more about Candor? Come and visit us at the Canton Fair.